Hi, dear children. Welcome to Grade 3 GK. I hope you all are fine and safe. Right, children? Okay, so before going to the topic, we will start our session with prayer. All of you sit straight, close your eyes, join your hands, and start praying. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mritam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes, rub your hands, and gentle pressure on your eyes. Okay, children. So, in today's session, we are going to see the topic about celebration of the world. So, we all are like to celebrate festivals, no? Yes, festivals are an expressive way to celebrate our heritage, culture, and tradition, and it plays an important role in our social life, right? So, why we are celebrating festivals? So it helps to preserve our culture and heritage value and also promote harmony. We get to know about different religions and the festivals celebrations carrying the message of our culture and heritage value to the next generation, and also obviously it gives happiness and stress free and very funful, right? Festivals are always a time for fun, celebration, and fellowship. In India, we as an Indian celebrate many festivals. Most of our festivals are religious and a few are national. So, like Diwali, Pongal, Christmas, Ramzan, Holi, Dasra are the some of the religious festival, and national festivals are Republic Day, Independence Day, or some of the national festival we are celebrating in India. So, in other countries, people celebrate for a variety of purpose in addition to above mentioned reasons, right? So, let us get to know about some of the favorite festival that are celebrated in different part of the world. Have you already, children? Okay. So, the first festival celebration Carnival in Brazil. So, the Carnival in Rio de Janeiro is a world famous festival held every year in the month of February or in March and is considered the biggest carnival in the world. So, the first festival in Rio de Janeiro date back to 1823. So, this Rio de Janeiro is the biggest party city in Brazil. So, this Brazil is in South America. So, the carnival is a public festival and originally it's a food festival. So this is related to the religious tradition because it's celebrated before the Christian period of Lent. So the Lent means 40-day fasting period for the Christians and before the Easter. Okay, so this carnival begins on the Friday, lasts for 5 days and ends in the Fat Tuesday. So the next day is Ash Wednesday. Lent is starts in the Ash Wednesday and ends with Easter. So Easter is one of the biggest festival for Christians. So why people celebrate this carnival this much grandeur means in this Lent period people give up their favorite foods, things and all, and also they avoid eating meats. So people are in fasting. So carnival is a time to celebrate and enjoy those things one last time. So now let's see what are the favorite things and events present in this carnival. Okay, so the main thing is samba dance, street parades of peoples and musicians and bands, and also lot of noise, bright colors, scary faces, variety of food items are present in this celebration. There may be also floats of decorated vehicles. So people often dressing up with fancy dress and costumes and cover their faces with masks. Now, Carnival Festival is celebrated in many parts of the world, but Rio de Janeiro is registered as the biggest carnival celebration in the world because millions of people per day present on the street of Rio de Janeiro to enjoy and participate in this biggest carnival festival. Okay, so the next one, Chinese New Year. So this is not only celebrated in China, and also this was celebrated some of the Southeast Asia countries. Okay, so this is considered China's most important and significant day of the year. It's also known as the Spring Festival because it starts from the beginning of the spring season and marks the ends of the winter. Usually, this New Year celebration celebrated between mid of January and mid of February because they follows the lunar calendar based on the movement of the moon. So the festival date is changes in every year. It's the longest festival in Chinese calendar because China celebrates this New Year for 15 days. That it started from the first day of the New Year and ends with the Lantern festival on 15th day. Also 7 days before New Year, 7 days before New Year is for preparation time. So totally 23 days New Year celebration was celebrated in China, and each year has an animal sign according to the Chinese zodiac. So these are all the animals present in the Chinese calendar, lunar calendar. So each year have animals. So the next year 2021 it's fall on ox. Okay, so it's known as ox new year. So let's see what are the celebration in this Chinese new year. Okay, so the first one, putting up decoration with red colors. So because red plays an important role in the new year celebration, Chinese people believe that the red is an auspicious color. So every street, building and houses are decorated with red colors. So the next one, traditional performance can be held in many cities, that is dragon dance and lion dance. So people wear traditional dance and dancing in the street, and also giving red envelope and gift to others and children's. So the firecracks and fireworks at Chinese New Year plays a important role. So the next one, reunion dinner with family. So no matter where they are, people try to return to home to celebrate festival and for the reunion dinner. So this reunion dinner is considered the important meal of the year. So next one, running of the bulls in Spain. The running of the bulls is a part of the famous San Fermin festival. So this is a summertime festival, and also it's related to religious festival. So it usually takes place every year from the month of July 6th to 14th day. So in honor of Saint Fermin, this festival was celebrated. So this is the statue of Saint Fermin. So in this bull run is held in many towns and villages across Spain, but famous runs of the bulls is in Pamplona. Okay, so in this festival, the participants that involves running in front of a small group of bulls that have been let loose on a course of a section of the town street. So all the participants in the bull run wear white dress, that is wear white t-shirt or shirt and white pant, and also wear red scarf. So during this run, youngsters try to jump on the bulls to show their brave. This is a dangerous activity but also a very exciting one. So each year, thousands of people from around the world make a journey to take a part in this unique cultural celebration. Okay, so the next celebration, Songkran Water Festival, Thailand. Okay, so it's a Thailand New Year celebration festival. So this falls on the hottest day in Thailand, that is it's celebrated on 13th April every year and lasts for 3 days. This is also called as water festival because water plays a major role in this celebration. So people celebrate by throwing water on each other using water guns, hoses, etc. Elephants can also be walking around and splashes of jet of water at the people. So people believe that water will wash away the previous year bad luck and worries and give food a good fortune. So it's registered world biggest water fight. So let's see what are the function and activities present in the Thailand New Year celebration. So this first one is water throwing. So this is one of the main traditional activity during Sangran. So in this picture, elephant throw the water on the people. So the next one, people go to the Buddhist temple to pray and clean Buddha statue with clean water and perfume. Okay, so most of the Thailand peoples or follow the Buddhist, so they are going to the Buddhist temple and clean the Buddha statue with the with perfume or with the clean water and give food to monks. So people wear their traditional dress and dancing and singing in the street, and also street food also available, and lot of noises, parties and fireworks are present in the Thailand New Year celebration. So next is time to visit family and give gift to the family members and also getting blessing from the elders. So these are the activities in this Thailand New Year celebration. Okay. So children, in this session we have seen about the celebrations, Carnival in Brazil, Chinese New Year, running of the bulls in Spain, and Songkran water festival in Thailand. Okay, have you all enjoyed the festival? Yes. So all of you please note your today's homework. Write 4 points about Chinese New Year celebration in your homework note and post it in Google Classroom. Got it, children? Right. So all of you avoid your mobile phone, laptop or any other gadgets item after session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Also stay home, stay safe. We will meet in a session. Bye. Thank you.